Kevin! Because it's in my way. It's in my way. Young bird is in the law. Wait, I like a lot. You like that? As a common, I'm sitting in a shitty book. I'm paying for shit. Tell me, come on. I'm paying for shit. You're not. I like the game. Say you. You can game. What's that guy here? What are those two here? They got me here. What's the brain? You got out. Stick to me, you move. You get on the boat. Who are you going to do? You're not going to let the yeah. You papa here. As follow. Zena. Alakatana. As Bofana. I wish you know. I'm sitting in the chili. Our hair is good. If you push it, you will have it with the Shimlai. You don't know. You know, like it, sir. You should see how you are. Yeah, sing up way. Hey, Jamu, you're not going to do. Tradition of Sims in the Goyagi. Rasha, Sim is on the occasion line. It went about like a no. Putamo. Wow. It's on the Sim can buy a prophet of God. Roslev on one of the Hemlock. Hemlock! Get it to that. Yeah, Shimlaja. I slap that away. You are catching it. God had to go. If we decided to go, I'd come on the trigger to know. You knew the vampire. All of you can like it. Well, I was swimming. You got me. Kill the boy, you got. You're not on the Yagidoya. And you like what you would like. Well, I was in Kanoya, Hatava, the I can't play. I said, how should it be? I'll not sit down in the car. Yeah, I couldn't watch that. Come on, come out to him alone. You see, they shot, I'm always trying to move. It's not talking to you, like you move. I couldn't go yet. You remember like that? You move the bag. You can do it, I'm not yet. I do all swimming, swim all the book. I'm in a football tunnel. You did. Or the young Miller. I said, come out of the window. I said, you know, I guess I'm sitting over. Here, all that. You know, you should catch me here. What is that? I will get you something. I can't say. Even back, I will make you close. Yamo! In the you together. You sit up. You take it. Roll on you here. Yeah, some light. I hate some light. Follow my you see about who's on this deck. Some light. It's on this one on this deck.